Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube on how to find the best-selling affiliate products on CLICKBANK. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can find the best-selling products on CLICKBANK, but most importantly, how you can find the best-selling product particularly for your business and for yourself. So let's dive into this and let's just have a look at what actually CLICKBANK offers you, what kind of statistics they offer to affiliate marketers and what you can start working with. And the statistic is called gravity. Now the gravity is basically the way how CLICKBANK shows you if a product is good selling. Now gravity number is basically calculated from the number of people who are actually selling this product, how many people are making money with this kind of product. Now the gravity number it can vary literally from 0 to hundreds literally. The biggest number I've seen is probably 300 to 400. However, this number doesn't necessarily tell you what is the actual volume of sold units from this product, comparing to, let's say, JVZoo or Warrior Plus marketplaces, where you can actually see the sales volume for that particular period of time, either it's 1 month or week or whatever else it is. You can actually see, that there are 5,000 units sold, 10,000 units sold, and so on and so on. With CLICKBANK, they just offer you the gravity. However, the gravity is I would say a very good indication whether the product is worth your while or not. Now, the good number, or the ideal number for affiliate marketers to especially to start with, is somewhere between 30 to 50 of the gravity number. And basically that just tells you that the product is, that it has some gravity, which means some people are selling this product. However, it's not oversaturated that tons and tons of people are selling this product and the market is already saturated with this kind of product. Because if you are going for a product that has a gravity of, for example, 200, then you are going to compete with people who probably have more money into advertisements and promoting than somebody who is just starting, right? And if you are going for a product that has lower gravity than 30, then you might get into some trouble of selling this product, because it's a little bit of an unknown product. And don't get me wrong, it doesn't necessarily mean that people are failing in selling this product. It might as well be the case of it that many people have tried to sell this product but failed. However, on the other hand, it might as well tell you that this product is basically unknown on the market. Not many affiliate marketers have even tried to sell this product, and that might be as well a great advantage for you on the market, right? However, if you are trying and starting affiliate marketing, then I highly suggest and recommend you to start with a product that is somewhere around 30 to 50 gravity. And now, the whole idea behind having a best-selling product, it doesn't necessarily mean that if you're going for a product that has a high gravity, it doesn't necessarily mean that if somebody else is doing good with this product that you are going to do great as well automatically. It just doesn't work like this. And the reason behind that is that it all depends on the way how you are going to promote this product. You could possibly have the best product ever, but if you are just going to, for example, just spam your links all over the place on Facebook or any other social medias, then you are not going to sell anything, even though you would have, for example, a cure for cancer or I don't know what, right? So it all depends on 3 essential things, and that is, first of all, the way how you promote the product, the audience you are going to promote this product, and the strategy you implement into your affiliate marketing business. Now, first of all, is the way how you're promoting the product. So you gotta think about how are you going to promote the product. Are you going to spam all over the place the links, or are you going to create some kind of a capture page, some kind of landing page, some kind of a value for the customers? Are you going to build your email sequences and so on and so on? Are you going to really give value to people? or are you just, you know, are you going to just create a capture page and then send them straight to the sales page? Again, this is the way how 95% of people in affiliate marketing are doing it, and that's why they are failing, because it just doesn't work like this. You gotta give people something extra, something free in return for the email, right? And then you might as well ask them to buy if they are interested in, you know, learning more about the topic, right? But you gotta give them some kind of a value, because that's how you create a relationship with the customers. Now, the second point is the right audience. Now guys, it is very, very essential to have the right audience. Now, many people don't pay too much attention to this topic because they just think that having the right good product will sell just, you know, on its own. It's not really the case, because if you are having a lose weight product, for example, and you are going to, for example, promote it to people who are interested in making money online, then you're not going to get any sales, and vice versa, right? So you gotta think about the category you are in, about the niche the product you are choosing is in, and if you have the right audience for this kind of people, if you can even speak in the correct way to this kind of people, and that is a correlation with the first number, with the first point that we made, that, you know, the way how you promote your products. And you know, you gotta get into the shoes of your audience, into the shoes of your customers, and really know the pain points and desires of your customer, and that's how you will speak directly to their desires, to their wants. And now the third point is the strategy, and that is literally the most important thing, and that makes the whole thing, the whole system, the whole process work. And that includes, you know, having the right way how to, first of all, give the offer out, which means how to communicate with the audience, and then basically how you create the hook, which is called, you know, like an offer, and that is called a hook. And then, you know, creating, for example, a good landing page, that might be one of the points in it, or a capture page, how you basically present to your customers that, you know, you gotta get their email address, so how you are going to present it, what you are going to offer them in return for their email address, and then what are you going to do next, right? If you are going to give them some value, are you going to build a relationship with them? Are you going to create an email sequences with them? Are you going to give them value all the time? Or are you just going to, you know, push sales onto them, and sales and sales and sales, and become like a greasy salesperson, you know? So this is all about the strategy, and guys, we could talk about the strategy and all of these for hours and hours. However, we don't really have that much time, so that's why I've created a 4-day free video series for all of you guys who want to learn more about this kind of strategy, that you gotta implement the strategy that really sells, that big marketers, affiliate marketers are using strategies like this. Then if you are interested, then just click the link below in the description. There is the first link in the description, and you'll get a full access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about affiliate marketing, the strategy to implement, how to build relationship with customers, and many more. And if you are interested, then just go ahead, get the full access to it, and you will get more and more access and more content and value from this. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.